ARInstructions simply allows you to easily make 3D content, but also consume it. So you can place objects right near something like a laser cutter, and then at a later time, someone can come back and see that.
Augmented reality instructions are extremely effective in presenting information in an engaging way because you can make them spatial. That is, you could place where to press a button next to the actual button. It removes ambiguity in instructions.
The makerspace attracts a wide range of people. You have novice users that have never used any of these machines before, and it's often very intimidating to work with these large and scary looking vinyl cutters and laser cutters and 3D printers. And so building instructions that ease that fear of learning how to use these machines was very important to us. At the same time, you have advanced users that have done hundreds of cuts before and just need to look at one reference thing here or there. And trying to target these very different user flows and build an application that works well for all of Jacobs' students was something that was very important to us.